Alright, so we're unboxing the Frigidaire 12,000 BTU. Bullshit. Yeah, you see that? Yeah. 12,000 BTUs. Yep. Alrighty. So then what we do is just unbox it like this. Be careful, because you don't want to. Careful. It's protecting your investment. Of course, you got your shit. And you got some more shit. Let's see, can you see up here? No, not really. Some more shit. Be careful. You don't cut nothing you don't want to cut. Oh shit. You gotta be careful now. Let's see. This part comes out. And then you take it out as is. And here you go. This is it. Very good. Kind of gentle with it. Let's see. Remove this shipping block. Alright. You got some shit like this when you unbox it. 12,000 BTU. Got your shit right here. Comes with remote control. Let's see. What is it called? It is called I'm not too sure myself, but model number. Here's the model number, so you guys can look it up if you want and so you know exactly what it is. It's by Frigidaire. There you go. Oops. Whoa. There you go. Get your model number. You can look it up. And I'll put a video of it when it's in my window right there. I'm ready to go. Alright, so now you see it, and now you don't.